I made a piece here to extend the hand railing. It's going to go on like this. And this piece of wood here, I thought I should do a video about it. So this is soft maple. And it's mineral stained. So that's why it's so dark. Soft maple tends to grow in lower altitudes, maybe swampy areas. So you do see this sometimes along the rivers and swampy areas. And what's really beautiful about it, so it's a closed grain wood. So it's very nice to sand, but it does heat up. Closed grain woods will really heat up when you're sanding them, and they'll tend to burn. So right here is a burn spot. Held it on a little too long, but that's okay. The mineral stain is in there anyways. It'll be all a little bit darker. Just like cherry will tend to burn too. Cherry is another closed grain wood. So in this case, we start putting oil on, and you can see how it does darken, but you get that really cool look. So mineral stained soft maple can be really, really cool. I've seen some beautiful boards. Okay, let's get oiling here. Oh, we have another spot here that's kind of cool. This is a piece of cherry, and it's got this kind of black stuff going through, and you can see where there's some character going on here. Maybe I can grab the oil with my other hand here and oil this to show you how much it's going to come out for change. So there you go. Really cool. Well, those are some of the cool things. It's always nice to see what the wood has and what the oil is going to bring out. Okay, let's get back and finish it up.